Hello guys, in this module we're going to learn about velocity time graph. So when we talk about velocity time graph over here, you can see that in this particular graph we are seeing an object moving with a uniform velocity. So we have drawn a constant speed over here. Now what we need to understand that in this case, if I go for a displacement, and displacement is going to be calculated for velocity time graph if you go for the area under the velocity time curve. And how we actually do that? Here in this case, if you actually see the displacement we need to calculate, the symbol which we have taken for the displacement is S. And if I simply calculate the area under the curve, that is for time t, it look like that this is the area under the curve, which is going to be nothing but length into breadth, and it look like a rectangle where the length is OD and the breadth is AB, which you can also observe that OD is nothing, it is actually the speed, and AB is nothing with the time. That's the reason I told you that whenever you have a graph question, the unit will always help you to figure out that what exactly the physical quantity you are calculating over there. Because when you talk about speed, definitely the value is going to be meter per second and time is second. The unit which you will notice is actually meter. So if you take area under the curve for a velocity time graph, it is going to give you displacement. If you talk about an object moving with a constant acceleration means it is going to have a variable velocity. Like if even on the earth, if we say the acceleration due to gravity is constant, but if we drop something, the speed is going to be keep on increasing. This is a similar case over here. So for velocity time graph, if we go for a slope, again the slope is going to give you an acceleration, because I told you the slope is always the change over y-axis over change over x-axis. And here if you notice the y-axis, it is SI unit is meter per second, x-axis is second. If we simplify, we simply get meter per second square, and meter per second square is nothing but it is the SI unit of acceleration. So that is the reason the slope of velocity time graph is going to give you acceleration. Thank you.